In question number 4, it is given 15 cot A is equals to 8, and from here it is asked sin A and sec A. Sin A and sec A. So here again, so from cot A equal to 8, so this indicates, that means cot A is 8 by 15. Take this 15 here in a denominator. So that means cot A, of course we know that, okay, sine, cos, tan, all these are a ratio in a right angle triangle. So let us draw the right angle triangle here. So this is the right angle triangle, this is the right angle triangle, and these A, B and C. Here you see that A means with respect to this angle given cot. What is the cot? So that you have to define. Okay, that you have to so here cot A with respect to this cot A. So if you forget about cot A, so let us write tan A. Okay, tan A is, say here you know that, so if this is A, so this I always remember this way. If this is a, so this is the height. So for tan, height is BC and by AB, height by base, correct? So that means for cot A, what will happen? It will be inverse of that. That means AB by BC. If you forget, so remember tan, from there you find this one. So that means these are okay. Now this is now this became as a, this is given as a 8 by 15. Cot A is given 8 by 15. That means AB is 8 and BC is 15. This is the thing given. Okay, now so so this is the ratio given. This is the ratio given. So once the ratio given, we cannot write AB is exactly 8, because it could be, ratio is 8 by 15, so it could be, so multiply by 2, like a 16 into 30. So ratio is given 8 by 15. So that means what we have to write is that you write with a some multiplier 8k, and this is a 1. This k is a multiplier here. It could be 1, 2, 3 or any values. It could be the decimal also. So with this multiply, so this became 8k, 15k. Now so once that is done, so I'll erase this tan part here. I wrote only for remembering. Okay, so okay, now after this our target is to find sin A and sec A. So let us write what is sin A here. Sin A means we know that height by hypotenuse. So here height is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So let us find BC is 15k, but AC is not there. So this AC is not given. So our next task will be to find AC. To find the AC, so in this because in this chapter everything is the right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle we know very known property, which is Pythagoras formula, so that there A, B and C, height, base, hypotenuse. So among these three there is a Pythagoras for right angle triangle. We know that a square plus b square equal to c square. This relation exists. So what is that? Height square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So using this formula, now let us find out the value of C, because A and B are known. So in a formula of A square plus B square equal to C square, in this formula A is 15K plus B is 8K and C is, we have to find. So 15 means 225K square and 64K square equal to C square. So this gives 289K square equal to C square. So from here, if you do a square root of both sides, so you get here 17K equal to C. Okay, so this value, this C value became 17K. Okay, so now we are able to write here this AC is a 17K. So K and K common cancel, so 15 by 17. This is sin A here. So moving to the sec A. Sec A is a inverse of cos A. Cos A, correct. So let us write what is the cos A here. Cos means we know that base by hypotenuse. So base here is AB, hypotenuse is AC. This is a cos. So sec will be what? It will be opposite of cos. Now let us put the value of AC. AC is 17K and AB is 8K. So 17 by 8. So this is the value of sec A. Sin A is 15 by 17. So here, so in this exercise, what it is expected that you know Pythagoras formula used for the right angle, and if anyone like a cot A is given here, from cot A you map it correctly here, see the which side. So 8 by 15, so 8 will be here and 15 will be here. With that calculation, then you do the Pythagoras calculation and you find out these unknown sides. Here hypotenuse was not given, so that from this relation of the right angle triangle, Pythagoras equation, so using that, this calculation is the very important. So after finding hypotenuse, now you can find sin A, cos A, tan A, sec A, any ratios you can find out once you know this, the three sides. So basically, if you once you have used the Pythagoras formula and got both height, base and hypotenuse, now you can construct any of the ratios, sin A, cos A, all these are ratios. So those ratios you figure out with respect to A. If it is A, this is A. Some problem you will get with respect to C. So see that, always remember this opposite side of the given angle here A, with respect to A, this exercise is given. So opposite of A, this is a height, this always, and another will be base. If it is a 90 degree here, opposite to 90 degree, this is a hypotenuse. This is a hypotenuse. This is a longest side in this triangle. Always remember this way. So this angle opposite is height, okay, and adjacent is base. Okay, opposite is height, adjacent is base. opposite to 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse. So hope you have understood.